Hey everyone, this is Lady T with Lady T Speaks, bringing you the latest in hip hop, R&B, and entertainment news. In hip hop news, Tekashi 69, the rapper out of New York, who's been in prison for quite some time now, the prosecutors are asking for leniency for him because he turned government witness, which the street calls snitching. And so as a result, they want him to have a lighter sentence. So let me read with you what TMZ is saying about it today. So Takashi deserves a much lighter prison sentence due to his cooperation, aka snitching, according to federal prosecutors who are officially asking the judge for leniency. And legal docs obtained by TMZ, the U.S. attorney in the Southern District of New York lays out the reasons for a reduced sentence for the rapper. They say his assistance was incredibly significant and extremely useful in prosecuting and convicting two members of the Nine Trey Bloods gang. And let me tell you who the two he was instrumental in getting them incarcerated. So, two of the members from the gang, Anthony Harv Ellison and I think his name is El Jemiah Nuke Mack, were both convicted based on Takashi's testimony. And so, even the feds acknowledged Takashi's testimony in open court, put a target on his back, and endangered his family. And the docs prosecutors say there's no question that the defendant's life will never be the same because of his cooperation in this case. They added he and his family will need extra safety precautions at all times to avoid revenge or attack. The feds say 6ix9ine walked them through his social media posts to provide context for the criminal actions of the gang, which they say the defendants, as I mentioned to you, the two guys that were who were convicted, um, they claimed that Anthony and Al Jamai claimed was all a hoax to promote Takashi's music. They say his testimony convinced the jury otherwise. So you remember he was robbed, and allegedly his former manager at the time was Shoddy Jordan. Shoddy is, of course, is his street name, but he was supposedly set it all up, and they said it was a hoax. But I have pictures on. You can see where he was hospitalized. We have the bruises, and they robbed him and they beat him up. So the story goes on to say that as we reported, Tekashi copped a plea deal after pleading guilty to racketeering, firearms offenses, conspiracy, narcotics trafficking, and other crimes. 6ix9ine agreed to be a cooperative witness, and without that would be facing a mandatory minimum sentence of 47 years in prison. So that's why he turned on his crew, because he was going down for a long time. Ultimately, the sentence will be up to the judge to determine, and prosecutors are asking His Honor to consider Tekashi's service in snitching before dropping the hammer. So it looks like, earlier they had said that Tekashi would probably be out of jail by Christmas. And it may be true now because we're just in the beginning of December, and it looks like prosecutors they really want him to get a lighter sentence. So now he's had some time served. So that might mean he may be home by Christmas. Who actually knows? And again, it's up to the judge. The judge will decide his fate. Now, once he gets home, who knows? It's anybody's guess. Because people were saying all along that Tekashi was an informant. And so that might be the case. Now, the way things are kind of panning out and unfolding, he may have been. He may have been a plant. We don't know, but it looks like they're trying to decide what they're going to do in his case. So I just wanted to give you all an update of what's going on with Tekashi 6ix9ine, and I'll come back and let you know what the judge did say ultimately. All right, this is Lady T, bringing you the latest in hip hop, R&B, and entertainment news. Take care. Talk to you all soon.